have we as people leaders failed in some way to not build or to not build this into our day-to-day life, this sense of psychological safety?
First of all, the role of HR, and I would love to know what you feel about it as well, that when you think about how HR can add value, quoting the rule book, etc., all of that, I mean, I think that can be completely automated. So
Yeah.
HR in many places has become like a sort of a paralegal kind of a function. It kind of, it's called in when somebody flouts the rule or some such thing. And when they are following the rule, HR is irrelevant. So your relevance is in the negative aspect. So when you really look at the role of HR, you're talking about a completely different kind of a shape and form. It would need a very different approach, which is, when you're talking about culture.
I think the way I see it is that with AI that'll become so prevalent in every area, it's obviously going to come into HR in a big way. It's going to operationalize a lot of what HR currently does. I think if the function has to redistribute its energy, I think it should look at redistributing its energy to getting out of their little cubicles and offices and really going where people are, really connecting one-to-one with people. And you may be an organization of 10,000 people, you could be 100,000 people. But the fact is HR being seen and heard at the shop floor? Or do we know that there is some director of HR sitting in corporate office? I think the way I see HR, that the need for HR and the way it'll need to evolve is that they will really bring culture to the individuals wherever they are. They will not expect the individuals to learn about the culture of the organization. It's almost getting into a slightly paternalistic or maternalistic role in relation to people, because what people will go through in the next 5 to 10 years will leave scars on the workforce.